Hi everyone, this is Yin from Crafti-Kit. I want to introduce you to our Crafti-Kit. It's a resin coaster making kit. This is a very popular kit. We've got tons of people that made it, had fun with it, enjoyed it absolutely. Now, a resin coaster looks like this. This is what you get to make with this kit. It is a coaster that you can use for your coffee mug to protect your table. You can also use it as a decorative ornament or a paper weight, I guess. So everything that you need is in this kit, including the flowers, including the mold, including all the tools that you need. It's really simple. Children as young as 4 years old, 5 years old have done it with parental supervision. Adults love this. Let me show you what's been happening here. These are the resin kits that are made by some of our customers, and they're made today. So there you go, lots and lots of different kinds of styles, and you can really get creative with it. The flowers inside are natural flowers. You have a huge selection inside this box where you can come and use to make your own resin. You work with non-toxic, odor-free epoxy resin. We use very high quality epoxy resins that are non-toxic. So you get to work with them, you learn how to mix them. Inside here is full instructions, including a video instructions for you to watch if you like to watch, and also a written instruction card for those that like to read and learn at the same time. What can you do? After learning this, you can do all kinds of other projects involving epoxy resin, and you can make your own bookmarks, your own keychains, your own fridge magnets, tons of things you can do with epoxy resin, and it all starts with this beginner kit right here. So grab a kit and learn how to work with epoxy resin.